to back up your Mac Outlook account, then must watch the complete video. Go to Google and enter SysToolsMacOutlook.com backup. Click on the link shown on your system screen. Now download, then install and run the software. This is an interface of the software. Now enter your Outlook account credentials, and click on the Remember Credentials, as per the need. Then click on the Login button. Now here, on the left side of the panel, here user can see the folder hierarchy. There user can select and deselect the folder as per the need. Now move to the other side of the panel. In Select Export Type, software provide few options to export in, such as PST, MSG, Inbox, EML, PDF, HTML, MHT, and TXT. I am moving with PDF option. Now click on the Advanced Settings. The Advanced Settings panel opens. General Settings. Naming convention. This option saves the emails with the required names accordingly. Categories. Select the category items which you want to export. Date filters. You can apply date filter to select and export email messages of a specific duration. Make a check mark. Create single PDF file, if you want to save attachments in a separate folder. Including Internet Message Header. If you want to save the header of the email in a separate folder, then select this option. Move to the Page Layout tab. You can apply margin settings to maintain proper space in the top, bottom, left, and right directions. Page orientation. You can choose the orientation of the PDF file, like portrait or landscape. Page size. You can select the size of the PDF page. Now click on the Bates number tab to apply for Bates numbers on the PDF files. Bates number format. Choose which number to start Bates numbering from along with the incrementation rate and position. Date stamp. Choose the position and format of the date you want to be shown on all the PDF files. Attachment tab. Attachment on pen. Add attachment in PDF as a pen. A pen attachment. Convert the attachment as PDF and append it at the end of the email. Save attachment. Save attachments in a folder in their original file format. It also provides a naming convention for attachments. Now click on the Save button to apply all the save settings. In the Select Destination path, click on the Change button to save the location of the resultant file. Here panel open. Select the folder and click on the Save buttons. Now user has saved the location. Now click on the Start Backup button, and begin the process. Here data starts processing. Now an alert comes up, exporting process completed successfully. Click on the OK button, click on the link shown under the selected destination path. Here are the results.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@SysToolsGroup.com. Thank you for watching.